How to fix WhatsApp call not showing on display. So guys, in this video I will share with you the great solution or the easiest solution of this problem on WhatsApp. So just watch this video till the end. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone, and after this go directly to apps or applications. Here search only for WhatsApp. Then when you found WhatsApp, just open it like this and then go to storage option. Here, click on it, and here go to the last button, clear cache. Don't click on clear data, click on clear cache and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And now you have to go to Play Store and update your WhatsApp again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.